to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I'm in New Jersey, and officially 9 p.m. tonight, our state is in lockdown. So we can't leave the house unless it's for something urgent. So I've been doing a lot of cleaning this week and a lot of homeschooling with my grandson. And now I'm going to try to catch up on some of my YouTube videos. So I hope you're going to enjoy them. And wherever you are, pay attention to what you're supposed to do. Be healthy and be safe out there. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And for those that are watching that may not have already subscribed to my channel, go down below, smash that red subscribe and the little bell next to it. Hit it till it says all, and you're a subscriber. That's all there is to it. And I really appreciate everyone that subscribes. So let's get started. Enough blabbing. Here we go. Well, you know that saying, you can have your cake and eat it too? Well, what about you can have your bagel and eat it too? Or maybe we should change it to you can have your bagel and keto it too. Today I'm going to make for you some bagels, and they are going to be low carb and keto friendly, and I think you're going to love them. So, there goes the grandfather clock again. You all know you're bound to hear that during my video. So what do we need first? What do we need to do? We need to preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and then for these you're going to need a donut pan. Now I have a series on my channel where I did all baked donuts, so obviously I had the pan. So you can pick them up. Well, I don't know about now, we're not allowed to shop and the stores are out of everything. But anyway, if you need a donut pan, I have a link below under my Amazon favorites if you're interested. But you do need a donut pan for this. And you need to grease it. You can grease it with, you can probably use spray olive oil on it, or, you know, a non-stick spray. And then we're gonna need a bowl. And this recipe is super duper easy. To me, it reminds me a little bit of making a chaffle. But we're making them sort of in a bagel form. So what we're gonna need in here is 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Let me put those in here. Put that in there. Now we need 3 eggs. Okay. We also need 4 tablespoons of coconut flour. Let me get that in there. And we need a ½ teaspoon of baking soda. And now we're going to get that all combined. So let me get that all mixed up. I want to get everything coated. And as soon as I have that done, I'll be right back and show you what we do next. So don't go away. Okay, so I mixed everything up. Your batter's going to be pretty thick. And now what do we need? We need our donut pan. Now, when I make regular baked donuts, I usually put them in one of these pastry bags and all, but this is much too thick, so you can't do that. So you're going to take your spoon and you're going to fill up your donut well in there. Now, you're going to have to press this down. So you can use your fingers with nice clean hands, or you can take a little plastic Ziploc bag if you don't want to get your fingers dirty, and you can press it down with your bag. So I like to use my fingers, but if you don't want to use your fingers on it, just take a bag like this, a little Ziploc plastic bag, and press it down with the bag. And you'll have nice clean fingers. So I'm doing that now. Press it all down in there and get it nice and patted down. Okay. me do another one for you. This is so easy to make. Now, I will tell you, so I don't forget later, that what you don't eat, you can store in your refrigerator in an airtight container. Store these in the refrigerator for up to about a week. And you can also toast them. So, make as many as you want. Pressing it down with my little bag. Okay, let me hold it up so you see what it looks like. Here we go. But what I'm going to do is today, for you, I'm making everything bagels. I'm going to put a little more in here. Making everything bagels. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on the top of these, because you notice there was no salt in the batter. And then I happen to have my favorite thing, my bottle of Trader Joe's Everything But the Bagel seasoning. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of salt on top, not much. And I'm gonna just put some of my bagel seasoning. Now, if you don't want them to be everything bagels, you can put whatever you want on top. Say you like garlic. I don't know, you can make them a garlic bagel or an onion bagel. Maybe you want to make them a cinnamon bagel and put some maybe monk fruit on them and a little cinnamon. But today I'm making everything bagels because I love those. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of my seasoning on top. And I don't know if you realize this, but you know, this Trader Joe's, the Everything But the Bagel seasoning, doesn't contain any salt. That's why I put a little bit of salt on there. All right. Looks good. So I'm going to finish filling up this well, and then I'm going to pop them into my 400-degree oven for 12 to 14 minutes until they actually start to turn a golden brown. And then I'm going to take them out and pop them out of this pan and show you what these sweet babies look like. And of course, it's lunchtime, and I haven't had lunch yet, so I'm going to eat one of them. So don't you go away. Look at these delicious looking bagels. I baked them in the oven for exactly 12 minutes. Don't they look good with all that Everything But the Bagel seasoning on them? So I'm going to put these down and I'm going to taste one. I actually already cut one when I took them out of the donut tin because I was dying to give it a try. Now I will tell you, don't take them out immediately. Just give them a couple of minutes after you take them out of the oven. I just took a butter knife and I loosened the sides and then I flipped it out. Make sure that you grease your pan well so that they don't stick. Now, these look delicious. I'm going to just try a little bit of butter on this piece and taste it. They do have the mozzarella cheese inside, so obviously they're not going to taste exactly like a bagel, but I mean really, look at these. If you're trying to eat low carb or keto, wouldn't you like a couple of these? Oh, and let me tell you, the total carbs in one of these is 4.3 grams, but the net carbs are only 2.6, so that's not bad at all. So let me give this a taste. Good. Very good. Now you have the mozzarella in there, so you're not going to taste the mozzarella cheese, but you will have that little bit of a texture, that's what I want to say, of the mozzarella cheese. But they're actually very good. So look at them. I mean, look at this. Low carb? You think you can't eat bread on keto? Well, you can. Give these a try. I have a little bit of chicken salad over here. So I'm going to have a bagel or two, some chicken salad, and that's going to be my lunch. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give these a try. Just remember, you can keep them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. And you can also put them in your toaster. See how nice and brown they came on the bottom? So anyway, stay healthy out there. Do everything you're supposed to do. You don't want to get any germs, and you don't want to bring any germs into your house and subject any of your family or friends to this evil virus that's going around. So anyway, love you all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Toodles!